Happy Monday. It's about 5 p.m. We're here in Camarillo, right in front of Rolling Pin, recommended by Angel and Abby. Hey girls, if you guys are watching, Yelped it. Heard that they have amazing cronuts, a mixture of a croissant and a donut, which I don't think I've ever tried. They had really good reviews on Yelp. They open in like 45 minutes. I'm already here. I'm just chilling because after this I have a couple of errands to run. But I've been thinking about these cronuts since last night, and the hubs didn't want to drive over here last night, so I drove myself here. Here are their donuts. These are their croissant donuts. This is the one that we're trying to get. So there are the cronuts. They're hiding at the top. They look good. I got 4 of the cinnamon sugar cronuts. Oh no, 5 of the cinnamon sugar cronuts and 1 chocolate chip roll. Can you guys see that? Hopefully you guys can see it. So I'm with Angel and Abby. We are at Bounce Boba Loft. We're actually over at Daiso earlier. I completely forgot to vlog because I filmed my monthly Daiso video. So we're just gonna eat, and after this we're going to head over to Six Flags Magic. Ended up getting the chicken poppers and tofu. These are all mild, which basically means it's spicy. But it's really good, you guys. Highly suggest you guys check out Bounce Boba Loft. We are here at Six Flags with Angel, Abby. We're just gonna be here for a couple hours. They're only open until 6 p.m. I feel like it's been a good hot minute since we've been to Six Flags. You guys remember Darren and I were always here like almost every single week. But I think it's been like a dry spell of about a month, and a month is a long time in terms of visiting Six Flags. Look at that, there's no line. One of the first times since summer that I've seen it empty, like legit, like empty. We parked in B, and that's really close. Ended up leaving Six Flags and we're gonna go try waffle cone. I guess it's new here in Valencia, has good ratings on Yelp. Look at Angel and Abby's waffle cone. It's TARO with Pretty Pebbles and coffee, right? Here's mine in a cup with sprinkles, Oreo crumbles, gummy bears, M&Ms, and I think that's it. Saturday evening, it's 9 o'clock. Hubs and I are going on like I think it's kind of like a date night. We're going to Waffle Love. I saw this on Yelp, has good reviews. It's waffles galore. And yeah, we're gonna go try it out. So we got chicken waffles with avocado and bacon. Feedback on Waffle Love. Damn, you guys, it was good. I think for that dish it was like 14. Was it 14? Right? But it was good. It was filling. The chicken was crispy, crunchy, piping hot. The waffle was like fluffy. It was really crispy. It had dimensions of layers in it. It was different from any other waffle that we've eaten. And the avocado was like fresh. Syrup was on point. Everything was delicious. It was really filling. It was definitely good for 2 people. So we'll definitely be back at Waffle Love.